Okay. I'm listening. I'm just listening to them. But don't wanna judge them kung totoo ba sinasabi nila or hindi. Siguro, hindi pa rin sila sigurado kung kasi it's so hard to pero ako sinabi ko na lang marami talaga akong pangarap pumasok ko dito. I have a lots of dream na I want it to achieve. Oh, iyak na yan. Huh? Iyak na yan. Huwag ka too much thinking. Boss. Sige, iyak na yan si Kevin. Ano si Kevin? Huwag ka na umiyak. Ayos lang yan. Joke lang. Bakit? Sino ba sa palagay mo?
That's why I'm thinking. You speak too much. There's no time to think.
Okay. Ka nagagalit?
Hindi. Wala.
No. Give it to Paco.
Okay.
Go. And relax. Mamaya baka tawagin ka ni Kuya. Relax, Kevin. Just relax.
I'm relaxed, Mamo.
You're not!
Ikaw!
Joke lang.
Relax ka. This is how I actually am. Minsan I can be loud. Minsan I'm just deep in thought. I don't speak
I know.
loud.
Sometimes you're...
That's just the way I am.
Go ahead. Just...
When there's a lot of things to think about, I'll think.
Sana makatulog na ako ng maayos, Kuya. Pengi naman blanket.
Hope we get music tonight. I think that's what helped me
Go,
pass.
request ka kay Kuya. Kuya, music daw po. Gusto ko, I want to be alone. Kung mag-isa ako, makatulog na mag-isa. May music. Kuya.
Tama ka. Akas makabaliw kung iisip-isip.
Oh. Ikaw yan eh. Go! Just think. What's the possible? Ayan.
Amo. Salamat.
For what?
Galit? Galit agad?
No. For what?
Siguro kung hindi ka dito, maybe mas mali ako.
No.
Ano?
No.
No, totoo.
No.
No. No, seryoso. This is me being serious. I'm serious. I don't know why, no. See, the thing is, I don't know why either. But you have that effect to where, I don't know. Sometimes it just calms me down and then just have fun. Totoo, seryoso. Huwag mo bago ang sarili mo. That's why I really want you to make sure not to change.
I'm not gonna change. This is me when I'm outside, and this is me now I'm here in Pinoy Big Brother, and it will never change. People here, diba? Dati nasa loob tayo ng industrial, ang sabi nyo bago ako, oo, siguro meron akong mga dapat baguhin sa super funny, loud, or something. But hindi ko kailangan yung lahat siguro na yung usually na pagka, oo, may time na dapat hindi puro lagi fun. May time na, syempre, you need to be serious.
No, but
Oh, sorry.
every time nung down ako, ikaw, I don't know.
I don't know to. No, I'm just calming. That's all. Calming. Ay, no, bakit ganito? No, outside. My tita, my tito don't want my attitude. No, but here, my friends, what? They like me. Kung sino ko, who I am. But, may family ko, sino pa yung pamilya ko, sila pa yung hindi naniniwala sa akin.
Gusto ko ang sino ka. That's why, ganyan. A lot of people have an effect on me like that. There's very few. Very, very, very few. You make me want to, and then from 1 second, I got laughing.
Nakakainis. Naku, ang dami ko na namang naiisip na hindi ko naman dapat isipin.
That's why, siguro,
Salamat. Thank you. Kevin. Thank you. Thank you. Ay, nako. It's na. Hindi ko pa natutulog. Ano siyang paghita? Ouch. Sanay. Ayoko na pero gusto ko talaga matulog ng maayos.
Okay, and that's why I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. And, basa ko.
Oh.
Huwag mo malalim sa isip. You just go crazy, yeah?
No, I'm like you, no. Go!
Hindi. Kasi once I leave, this is you.
Sino?
Once I go inside, this is you. And think, ikaw.
No.
Bet?
Okay, good night.